Well, a longtime friend of convicted killer Alex Murdaugh just pleaded guilty to helping him steal more than $4 million. The insurance settlement was intended for the family of Murdaugh's housekeeper who died in a fall. Murdaugh was convicted in March of murdering his wife and son in 2021. 3 years earlier, the family's housekeeper, Gloria Satterfield, died after falling outside of Murdaugh's home. He convinced Satterfield's family to hire Corey Fleming, his college buddy, to file a wrongful death lawsuit. Fleming received $4.3 million from Murdaugh's insurers, but he and Murdaugh kept the money. Joining us now, criminal defense attorney Brian Claypool. So, Brian, Murdaugh is already appealing his murder convictions. Does this insurance fraud case have any bearing on his appeal?
Hey, Kelly, great to be with you. I don't think it has any bearing on the appeal, but I think the bigger million-dollar question is, why hasn't Murdaugh been charged with murder for Gloria Satterfield? I mean, this is all the facts lead to him for having killed her. Now you've got this new evidence where, oh, the dogs didn't cause her to fall, right? You heard that. Now his associate has come clean. Maybe the feds need to talk to this associate Fleming and get an admission from him that Murdaugh admitted to him that he committed the murder. I mean, how else would she fall down the stairs? If the dogs didn't do it, then maybe he pushed her. Why hasn't the county, for example, hired what's called a kinesiologist? A kinesiologist studies movement in relation to causes of accident, right? Looking at, for example, how hard she fell down the stairs, what her injuries were relative to the force. Why hasn't that been done as well? But I'm deeply troubled why he hasn't been charged with murder.
Well, I think that's a very, very relevant point and something that's going to be interesting as these cases move forward and more investigation is being done, I'm sure. So Murdaugh, as you know, serving 2 life sentences, still faces a lot of legal battles. Can he be held accountable for even more crimes? He can't serve any more time.
Yeah, well, he's been charged with 22 additional counts of financial fraud because of the money they stole, the $4.5 million from the settlement, much like you saw in his underlying murder trial. But really, what does that do? Like you just said, I mean, this family wants justice. And here's another thing, Kelly. You've heard of means, motive, opportunity. Have you ever seen a case more clear with all 3? Murdaugh, a couple of weeks prior to Satterfield dying, he bought insurance, homeowners insurance, on the house to make sure that insurance money would pay the wrongful death settlement that he then stole. I mean, what more evidence does this county prosecutor need? Maybe he now needs to get that admission from Fleming and maybe cop a plea deal. He can maybe go and cop a plea deal with Fleming and get Fleming to admit that Murdaugh confessed to this murder.
Yeah, it's a horrible story all around.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.